Hey, thank you for clicking on the video today. We have the Harbor Freight 5-ton electric log splitter out here, and we're going to split a couple of logs. And I realized in my first unboxing video I didn't go over the operations, so we're going to go over the two-handed operations, and we're going to try to split some larger logs down there. I got 3 decently sized ones. I got to go in the woods. I got to cut a little bit more if we're going to get some bigger ones. So basically you have the power switch here. You're going to hold this, and then you're going to push the control arm down, and if you take it off, it stops. So it is a two-handed operation. Both of your hands, one's going to be on the power and one's going to be on the lever. I'm going to start it off big. Might be a multi-splitter. That was a little big. This one's coming around 11 inches at its biggest there. That one's too long. Oh. This one is 10 3/4. This one is measuring about 7 inches across. Hey, thank you for watching. We just split all those logs and we turned it into some nice firewood. These two here were too long. They just didn't fit. That one's coming in at 22 and a half. This one's 21. I like it so far. I'm going to start stockpiling wood because maple syrup season's coming and I'm going to have to get the evaporator out. It's 81 degrees outside though, so I think I'm going to call it a day. I really hope you like this video. Please hit the thumbs up if you do. Any questions or comments, leave below. I'll answer them when I can. Otherwise, have a good day. Thank you.